So I have a RYOBI 3000 psi, 2.3 gallons per minute GCV 160, the Honda motor. Must have used it earlier this spring, but I left the gas in it. It's been a couple months. Always been kind of hard to start, so I think gonna spray some starter fluid in it. It does have spark. See if we can get it running. Probably gonna have to pull the carburetor off. And we're gonna put the starter fluid in here to see how she goes. So you can see the choke. Oh, it closes. Open. Kind of hard for me to see it from here. But I think that's open to spray in there. Just off. Choke on. Fuel's off. Fuel's on. That's full. Give it a pull. Right away. So I'm gonna pull the carb and clean it. So this looks like a 10 millimeter. Use some power tools, but just by hand. So this looks like the kill switch. It's clipped right there. Put that back on top. Yep. That goes right into there. That's the off and on. And just pop these out. So this should make sure I got carb cleaner. I'm trying to do this while I'm holding with an iPhone. Tight. I've had this a few years, but it sat in a box for a number of years before I even pulled it out. It hasn't been used too many times. Been running out of gas every year when I get done with it. This must hold everything on: the carburetor, the gasket, this air box. Assuming some stuff may fall out, and it did. So get this unclipped, and there's a breather hose on there. That's the breather hose. So that's off. And this goes on here like this. And then here's the choke, throttle, a little spring one. Hope those don't fall down. You can see the choke. And with one hand. But anyways, let's choke in. And then it'll go up there like that. That's the configuration of everything. So this one goes down and in, and that other one's just a hook. Turn it off, turn the fuel off. Here's the bowl. Take that bolt out. Drop this out, see what's in there. There should be, blow this one out, Phillips. And then that should be the main jet. What you call that? Aspiration valve or something, I can't remember what you call it. Blow that. Aspirator. So that's the choked position. Oh, door's closed. In. Open. Remember those things. There's the throttle. Take it apart. Alright, so the carburetor's off. Drain the bowl. A lot of fuel in there. Pull that out. Take this bowl off. Get the main jet out. Clean that out. Blow through some of the holes. Hopefully put it back together and run good. But, yep, sits on there like that. Some goes in there. Like that. So the other ones work too. Get it off again. There we go. Alright, clean it up. Don't remember if I said that, but this is a 10 millimeter as well. I expect a lot of fuel to pour out of there. Next I'm going to have to probably tap this with something to get this bowl to come off. A couple of light taps with the side of a wrench, this bowl came off. So to take this pin out so you can get the float out, lose that. This lifts right out. You can see there's the needle. Like I said, this machine's practically brand new, so that should still be good. Looks pretty good. Got a nice tip on it. And there's the main jet here. Let's go get a screwdriver and pop that out. Phillips to blow through this one too. Better go see if I got some carb cleaner. Here's some attitude adjustment tools. I bought some of the stuff a while back on Amazon. Clean out the ports. Wire a little bit thick, may not work, but this for stubborn screws in case that's not wanting to budge. Forgot my flathead screwdriver. I'll get that next, but just in case you want to see what you might need, there you go. So I just use a regular old flathead screwdriver. Back the main pallet out all the way. It'll seat all the way down, so there's not a number of turns to do. There's the main pilot. Tiny hole, so I should get cleaned out. And then there's another aspiration tube. I don't want to lose anything, so I'll blow through that with some carburetor cleaner. You can figure that out, but clean these two out, put those two back together, and then I'll take this screw off and blow through that as well. I'm not going to show that, but that's pretty much what you need to do. I'll show you that one down in there once I get it out. Here's that tube. Took a little bit more to get it out. That's the top side, that's the bottom side. So it's stuck in there pretty good, but you want to make sure those two holes are all cleaned out, as well as that one. That's pretty clear. I'll blow through all that stuff. Sorry for the background noise. This main pilot was definitely plugged. I used the second smallest wire on here. The third smallest wouldn't fit through it. There's a chart here, I don't know if you can see it, the sizes, don't lose anything, so there they are. I believe I was using whatever's the smallest, it's either 7 or 24, not quite sure. can find that on Amazon. Didn't need the pipe cleaners, but I shot carb cleaner through this the first time. This was a tiny little stream. The second time it blew right through. The carb cleaner through this end. All these ports blew through, plus the end. So that's good to go. And then the set screw that was here, blew through that. These other holes shot out straight through here. So that's all good to go. It's ready to reassemble. So it's all back together. You should note that that needle just rests on there. See that little silver square? It just rests on top of the float. So it's not hanging by a wire like you would think. They usually have a little B wire that it rests on. But that's in there. Just gotta put the bowl back on. Ready to reinstall. A lot of people mowing lawns today. So I just did this in reverse order. Put the spring one on first. Throttle on and the choke on. Goes on pretty good. Next I'm gonna take this box apart. Put that gasket on here. First, if I can find it. There it is. So that. I'll put the bolts through. Back of there. Put that on. The bolts through it and then just slide everything on. Slide everything on. As you can see, the gasket's on there. So slide everything out on there. Make sure you keep this kill switch above everything. Bolt her down. Don't forget to put your breather hose back on the air box. Do that while you're putting things back together. Alright, so it's all back together. Choke. It's working. Fuel back on. Fuel line's on. Breather line's on. Kill switch is clipped right here. It's also got a clip right there. Tube, whatever, latch. Full fuel. Put this back on. It's coming. Put the air box over here. So that just clips on. And we should be ready to rock and roll. Alright, here we go. I'm going to do this with one hand. Foot up here. Okay, we got a winner. The main pilot jet was plugged. It's got a little bit of gunk in there. Chunk us up. Looks like a champ now. Well, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed me cleaning my carburetor, figuring this thing out. Trying to pressure wash my mats on my car yesterday and it just wouldn't work. So figured out it was the carburetor. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.